That's the one. Perfect. Hello. Hi guys, welcome to 12 Foster Helicopters. My name's Josh. We're going to be going on the 15-minute London Bridge flight. Feel free to wave at the camera today. These are microphones. If you want to talk to each other, you can do. You just got to speak into the microphone, okay?
Hello.
Oh.
Sundar sir.
Can we take the video?
Sure, no worries. Just watch out for any of this stuff in the middle here, okay?
कस्तो फिल भइरहेछ
एकदम रमाइलो
रमाइलो
एकदम रमाइलो
ट्रेनिङ दाइ नबोलेको
बोलिरहेछु म
Righto guys, we're going to head out over the water today. We're going to have the Apostles out on our right hand side. This Apostle here on the right with all the grass is number one. All the rest of them are behind us. We'll have a great line of them when we come back down the coast. We then have the Twin Sisters, Salt and Pepper Shakers and the Razorback standing tall together there. We then have the Muttonbird Island here, named after the thousands of muttonbirds that migrate here from Alaska during the summer months. We then have the baker's oven here. It's called that because at the bottom you might be able to see an archway which kind of looks like a pizza oven. This big rock in front of us on the right is known as Sentinel Rock. It is the tallest rock stack here at the Port Campbell National Park. Standing at over 60 metres tall. To give you an idea of just how tall it is, you may be able to spot a car driving along the Great Ocean Road at the top there.
हाँ सुने ना
Kami.
This town over the right here is known as Port Campbell.
यता यस्तो पनि हल्लाउनु मिल्छ हो त्यो चाहिँ भिडियो
This is the video, yeah?
The video, yeah. I'll put it on you and you can wave it yourself.
Hello.
You see the TV screen there?
Oh, yep.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Very nice.
This bay here is known as 2 Mile Bay. It's got quite a big surf break and it's considered to be one of Australia's best surf breaks, with often getting waves of 20 to 30 feet rolling in here. And the surf is towed in by jet skis. We then have the archway sticking out from the rock there. Over here we have Point Hess, which has a set of stairs down the bottom you might be able to spot just on the edge there. We then have the London Bridge here. It used to be two big archways, but back in 1990,
Oh,
little
London
archway
Bridge.
fell down.
Jetty.
We're going to turn around here, guys.
I got toggle.
Beautiful shot of the London Bridge out there to the left.
That's the London Bridge?
London Bridge there.
Oh, okay.
So where all the water is in the middle is where one fell down back in 1990. It used to be two big archways.
Oh, okay. Very nice view.
Yeah, very nice.
That small town is Port Campbell?
Port Campbell, yeah. Yep, great spot for a bite to eat. It's only 10 minutes from the Port Campbell, from the like 12 fossils.
Okay.
Beautiful shot of Port Campbell there.
Very good.
Yeah.
How many flights do you do in a day?
How many flights?
Yep.
Around 20 to 30. Yeah. We have another helicopter coming towards us.
Grade 1?
Yep. This is Sentinel Rock again here on the left, standing on its own.
That one, yeah?
Yep. We then have Double Bay, or what's known as Horseshoe Cove. Yeah. We then have the Baker's Oven here on the left. Mouth of the Sherbrooke River, and then some walkways out here from the Lockhart Gorge car park. Now the Lockhart ship actually ran aground in 1878 on the point of Muttonbird Island here, and at the time it only took 15 minutes for the water to break up the ship that day. Of the 54 people on board, only 2 managed to survive by getting swept up through the gorge.
Oh, so they swim, yeah?
Yeah, they swam through the gorge, yeah.
Oh.
We then have the Razorback, Salt and Pepper Shakers, and the Twin Sisters. The First Apostle here on the left. We then have Apostle number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 6 is a small little one, and number 7 is just this side of the lookout.
Altogether there are 12, yeah? That's why they call 12.
Only 7. There used to be 8.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
The 2 that are past the lookout are known as Gog and Magog, and they're not part of the Apostle family.
Okay.
How are you? Good?
Good, good, very good. Great.
Rightio. We're going to turn left here, guys.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Great view of the Apostles out to the left there, guys. Radio.
What?
Thanks for coming, guys. If you want to wave goodbye to the camera there.